I know it's a little bit noisy out here, but back in February here in Texas, we had that freeze that came through, knocked out all our power. Anyways, one of the things I found out during that time was that when running my generator, I could not run my refrigerator because it always kick out one of those GFCIs. So after doing some research, I found that one of the best things to buy is this right here. Do a focus. And then you connect it as I did here. So I plug just my refrigerator into that outlet there. And I've been able to run it for the last 2 days without any problems or tripping any of the breakers. So again, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and try and put a link in it. I found this one on clearance just yesterday at Tractor Supply. I've seen it online for $14.99. I paid $12.99. I know they have them at Lowe's and Home Depot. Later.